Friends, with your prayers and support, we are winning our campaign. This election is the worst in the history of the country. 2019 April 10th, at the Election Commission of India, New Delhi, I have exposed and called all political parties to join with me to boycott the election before the democracy is dead. Now the democracy dying, secularism is suffering, even judiciary being influenced and media is controlled and manipulated. But after my writing to the Chief Election Commissioner and Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India, before the counting June 4th and after the counting June 4th, we are seeing results like Elon Musk, the expert, coming out and saying EVMs can be tampered. Remember, Chandrababu Naidu in 2019 joined with me to fight against EVM corruptions. But now, with EVMs, he became the chief minister. Ministers have become. BJP did not get 240 seats. They said 400. So everybody would be fooled if they get 240. 140 elections have been tampered and it is proven. The whole world is supporting. Let us put pressure on everybody so that there will be re-election, repolling, justice will be done to save Indian 1.5 billion people. I am leading this fight. Please join with me. And thank you for the international media, international experts. Keep on talking. Every one of you. Why? Only 18 countries are using EVMs. Almost all educated countries are using only ballot paper. Let us conduct Visakhapatnam election to start with ballot paper. Members of parliament candidates, 20 of them joined with me. Thank you all. Share this video. అందరికీ బుద్ధొచ్చినంత వరకు ఈవీఎంల ఎలక్షన్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయినంత వరకు మరలా ఎలక్షన్స్ జరిగినంత వరకు ఇలాన్ మస్క్ లాంటి తెలివైన వారందరూ మన వాదనను వినిపిస్తున్నారు. సుప్రీంకోర్టు చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ ఈ ఎలక్షన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి రీపోలింగ్ జరిగినంత వరకు బ్యాలెట్ పేపర్ల ద్వారా ఫైట్ చేద్దాం, పోరాడదాం, న్యాయాన్ని సాధిద్దాం. ఈ వీడియో ప్రతి ఒక్క మీడియా మిత్రులు అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. దేశాన్ని, స్వతంత్రాన్ని కాపాడు.